Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Okay, get in here. I know y'all not doing nothing, so you're gonna go ahead. I'm glad you went ahead and clicked on this video title already. You know what we are gonna get into for today. And sorry you guys, I've been off for a little bit, and that's because it was finals week. Y'all know how that goes. So it's a little bit less busy, and I had some time to go ahead and sit down and film this video. So yes, if you already read the title, you already know what we're talking about today. And we are going to be talking about if you want to start a YouTube channel in 2021. We're doing something a little bit different today on this channel, okay? So this is going to be things I wish I knew, or things I wish someone told me before starting a YouTube channel in the year 2021, 2020. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or if you already have a channel but you haven't started filming, we are going to be talking about some tips on how to make you grow super fast, okay? And some tips about your channel if you're thinking about starting, or if you're starting and you're not really growing as fast as you want. I'm going to give y'all some tips about how we can fix that, okay, and get that in the bag for you. Yes, if you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Ashley K. I specialize in videos on lifestyle, I specialize in videos on money, and most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget friendly life, okay, you guys? So yes, we get you all the way right on this channel when it comes to money, budget, but also lifestyle videos and anything you want to achieve, whether it's financially or in your life in general. That's what we do on this channel. So we pretty much do a lot of things, and if those are some things that you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like this video up, okay? I'm giving y'all the tea. I always give y'all the tea and the tips, so make sure you do these two little easy things for me, okay? Subscribe to the channel and like the video up, okay? Leave a comment, positive comments only, okay, people, okay? So the first tip that I want to talk to you guys about is basically when you are picking a name for your channel, okay, you guys? So basically what you want to do is when you are picking a name for your channel, I wish somebody would have told me. And just to give you guys a background on my channel, this is not my first channel, okay, you guys? I think this is about like my third YouTube channel, and my other two channels I had to leave in the dust, and mainly the main reason was because of the name, okay, you guys? So you definitely want to think about your name before you pick a name on your YouTube channel. You don't want to go in with your name like Big Booty Judy or John Stars Moon, you know. Like, you definitely want to think about your name before you choose your channel. That's one of the main things that you want to think about. A lot of people now just use their regular name, and some people don't like that. You don't have to put your whole government out there for people. Like, you can go ahead and, if your name is Sally Ann, you could put Sally A, or, you know, how I have my name, Ashley K. Like, you can keep it real simple, real cute. You don't have to be throwing your whole business out there, but it is preferred that you do have a professional channel name, because you have to think about it like this is going to be your brand, and you will be branching off. Like, once your channel blows up or grows, like, more people are going to know you, businesses are going to want to work with you. So you definitely want to make it a good representation of yourself and a good representation of what you want your brand to be. So you definitely want to sit down and think about your channel name. Don't be putting no nicknames and stuff like Snapchat names, how we had it back in the past. You definitely want to be thinking about something more professional and more kind of geared to what your channel will be like. A lot of people put, like, if you are starting a vlog channel, I have seen like, or Amy Sing vlogs, or like something like that, like, so people know exactly what they're getting into when they do start your channel. Like, if you are going to be a DIY channel, you can be like Dan DIY or something like that, so people know exactly what they're getting into when they start watching your channel. When you do start your channel, make sure you're picking a name that's it's short, concise, to the point. Definitely something easy to remember, and something that is more on the professional end, because you have to think about it. YouTube is a brand, okay, you guys? So you definitely want your brand to represent you in a positive light. So that's the first tip I have for y'all, is to really sit down and think about your name. Just don't go with the first thing that comes with your mind. Like, sit down and pick like 5 different options, and make sure some of those options are on a more positive brand like kind of atmosphere, so when you are starting your channel, it doesn't sound like a joke. Another pro tip that I have for you guys guys, when it comes to your name, is if you're going into a specific niche or brand, what you can do is when you are going to that specific brand or niche, you can kind of do a little research on who exactly is in that field. Go to YouTube, look up people that are doing DIY, see what their names look like, figure out a way to kind of flip it and make it your own. But that's a little pro tip I have for y'all. If you can't seem to come up with anything or any name, just go ahead and search the niche and kind of see what other people's names are in the industry and figure out a way to make it more creative and make it your own and make it relate to you. So that's an easy pro tip on how to find a name, something easy. And then if you can sit down, you really can't find 5 names or something, that would be the best option I would have for you guys, is to just go ahead and search within the niche. So the next tip I have is to think about your niche. Okay, y'all, this is a big, huge tip. Like, I wish somebody told me this in the beginning, but basically you really, really, really want to think about what you're passionate about, like what you want your videos to be about. Like, basically sit down, figure out what you're passionate about, figure out what you want people to hear, what information you could provide to people. Like, really sit down and think about that. Okay, you guys, like, this was a big thing for me in the beginning. If you probably scroll down not too far from this channel, you probably will see I was filming a whole bunch of random videos, and I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but it does stump your growth in the long run because you guys don't have a niche that you're going into straightforward. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was always passionate about money, but I didn't want to start my channel so fast on that. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and do random videos and kind of figure out what I really liked, but that's not necessarily the best way to do it. It won't take off as fast as you would think. It will take you longer than what you anticipated. So I would definitely figure out your passion and figure out what you want people to know about your channel. Go ahead. Like I said, YouTube is always about research. You always want to be looking to see what the next best person is doing and everything else. And it's sad to say it, but that's just what it is, okay, y'all? So you definitely want to be looking and seeing if you came up with a topic or niche, go ahead and look it up and see if there's an actual market for it. See if people are actually filming videos on that. Take note about what they do and take note about how they got viral. Take note, like, everything is taking notes, and then you turn around, you flip it, and you make it your channel. So that's basically the best advice I could have for you guys, is don't start off doing random stuff. Like, you definitely want to figure out one big topic that could really blow you up. Once you found out that topic, go ahead and research and find out if there's a niche for it. Find out what the most popular video is in that niche, and go ahead and take notes on how they're doing, what tags they're using, and things like that. The softwares that you can actually plug into your computer that will actually show you the actual tags that they're using. I use a website called TubeBuddy. Okay, you guys, it will be linked down below, but that is the best when it comes to putting tags into your video, because sometimes you can't really think about tags and stuff, and you don't know what tags are popular in this niche or not. So TubeBuddy goes ahead and does all the guessing work for you. Basically analyzes the most popular videos and figures out what tags they're already using, and all you have to do is copy it and paste it into your video. Okay, you guys, TubeBuddy is absolutely free. I'm pretty sure if you are on YouTube, you have heard of TubeBuddy. It's absolutely free to download. What you have to do is download it and install it into your web browser, either Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. You go ahead, you plug that into it, and it basically does all the work for you guys. And this is going into the filming process, okay, y'all. This is to take your thumbnails before you actually start filming a video, okay? It has been so many videos, let me tell y'all, like, I struggle with this so badly, and now I make it my duty to film my thumbnails or take a picture of my thumbnails before I actually film the video. And it's because sometimes you film your video, you know, you're finished, and sometimes it's a lot of work, so you just want to be done, you know, so you rush in to finish or whatever, and then you figure out that you don't even have a thumbnail, okay, y'all? And having a designated thumbnail on your video is really works for your video. That's what makes people click on it. The thumbnail is kind of like the preview to the movie. Like, your thumbnail have to be on point. You definitely want to go ahead, and even before you sit down and film, okay, y'all, I film on my phone. Really easy, simple to do. I use iMovie to edit my videos as well too. Really easy, low budget. These are all things that already are provided to you if you are thinking about even getting equipment for your video. You don't need much stuff, okay? All you need is your phone, okay? iMovie comes with your phone for free, okay? So it's very easy to start. So that's another tip. But y'all, what I do is, because I film on a tripod, all I have to do is just set my phone to self timer for 3 seconds, and I go ahead and film, like, I take like 5 or 3 or 5 shots of what I would want my thumbnail to look like, and then that's what I use as a thumbnail. And it's so much more easier. Before I even get down and sit down and film my video, I make sure I get my thumbnails out the way, because your thumbnail, like I said, is the preview to your video, and you want people to click on your thumbnail. So you definitely want to take good pictures, good quality pictures. Okay, these iPhones are made with abundance. Okay, these iPhones are fire with the cameras. Okay, y'all, so it's very easy for you to just take a thumbnail super quick on self timer, and you're good to go. So that's one of the tips I have for y'all, is don't forget your thumbnails. Okay, because I've done that tons of times and I ended up not posting the video because I don't like the clip so that it's using as a thumbnail. So for me personally, I have to take my thumbnails before I actually film my video. So that's one of the tips that I have for y'all. Next tip that I have for y'all, this is gonna be a growing tip, y'all. Okay, this is what I still do and what I was doing heavily in the beginning, because I really wanted my channel to grow and it wasn't growing as fast as I would like to. And what I was doing is this, y'all. Okay, make sure you put on your listening ears. This is what I was doing, y'all. Basically, what I was doing is I would go ahead and find niches that I want to make videos in. So let's say you're making a DIY video, for example. Okay, so you're gonna search up DIYs. Okay, so once you search up DIYs, a whole bunch of videos are gonna come up. You'll see probably the most popular videos that are coming up from like the biggest YouTubers. That's not what you want. Okay, there's a little filter button. You can actually filter out the times that people have filmed that video, okay, in that niche. So you're gonna go ahead and go to the filter button, and then you're gonna click today or this week, and then you're gonna get videos that have people have just posted today or this week. Okay, and then you're gonna get to see smaller YouTubers. Okay, so usually I target the ones under 1,000 and stuff. Those are the ones I really go for, because the ones that are smaller channels like myself, that's what I normally go for. So I click their video. You're gonna go ahead and click their video, and you'll probably see like they have probably 600 subscribers, 500 subscribers. Those are the ones that you're going to target. Okay, y'all, so you're going to watch their video, like their video, okay, and subscribe, and then you're gonna leave a positive comment saying, oh yeah, your video was amazing. Definitely say something that relates to their video. Show some love, real genuine support for the video. Okay, say your video was great, say your video was awesome. Like, use different wordings, obviously, of course, you guys. And then you're gonna say, I just subscribed to your channel, and I just liked and shared your video. I just liked and commented on your video. I love supporting small YouTubers. Let's all help each other, or let's all grow together. Kind of switch the wordings up, okay, you guys, because what it is that YouTube can pick up on when you're repeating the same comment over and over and over. So you definitely want to switch what the wording is and switch it every time you do this. But usually I was doing this for about five channels a day, and trust me, you guys, okay, you will grow exponentially. You're supporting somebody and they're in return supporting your channel, okay, you guys. So I was doing this consecutively every time, and I still kind of do this every time that I had the time. I would just go ahead and look for niches. It doesn't have to be DIYs. Just look for different topics that you can find. You'll find smaller YouTubers that's trying to grow just like you. Okay, like the video up, you know, watch their video, leave a positive affirmation, positive comment on there, spread the love, and I'm telling y'all, this is how you grow. Definitely do that tip. Okay, if you are stumped with your growth, you don't see anybody growing your channel, you got to go out there and get to the money. Okay, it's like with money and with anything else. If you want something to happen and it's not going as fast as you would like, you go ahead and you change the dynamic. Okay, you switch shit up. So that's what I was doing, and you guys, I grew so fast, so quick, like it was ridiculous. So, and I still do this. So definitely, if you want your channel to grow, that's one of the things you got to do. And like I said, don't make it universal for everybody. You're gonna have to switch up the comment, because you don't want to get blocked from leaving comments, because that can happen. Okay, you guys, I'm speaking from experience here. So you definitely need to switch the comment up every time, like write something completely different, okay, every time you go to a different channel. So that's one of the pro tips about growing your channel. And I told you I always leave the juiciness to last, so I'm glad you stayed, because that is the best tip that I have for y'all, is to really accelerate your channel. You got to go out there and go get it, okay, y'all. And every day when you have time, you just watching a video aimlessly. How about you just, and you see that this person is like under 1,000 subscribers and stuff, and they're just starting out their channel, leave a comment, y'all. Like, just leave the comment and subscribe to the channel. Like, it doesn't cost much to subscribe and like their video, and then 9 times out of 10 they'll subscribe and like your video back too. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been helping my channel tremendously. And I know else gonna help yours. And this is going to actually be a giveaway video, okay y'all? So I am doing another giveaway once again, okay, because I loved how the other giveaway went. It went tremendously, and I want to go ahead and give back to you guys. I have been receiving so much genuine love from y'all, and I love and appreciate every single one of y'all, okay? So I want to go ahead and do another giveaway. And listen, it ain't gonna be no $1 million, but this is just gonna be a little thank you, you know, so you can get something nice for yourself. Valentine's Day just passed, so the rules are gonna be the same as the last time. First thing that you must do is you have to be subscribed to this channel. You cannot be entering this giveaway and you ain't no subscriber, okay? So you definitely have to be a subscriber to this channel. Very easy to do. Next thing, you're going to like this video as well too. You are also going to follow me on Instagram, and I will be checking. If you do not follow me on Instagram, you will not be able to enter this giveaway. So definitely go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It will be linked in the description box, and it will also be linked in this video at some point. So make sure you do those 3 steps. And the fourth and final step is you're going to leave a positive comment, okay y'all? And everybody that comments, I will be subscribing to your channel, okay you guys? So, and yes, and whoever has the best positive comment, that would be the person that I will be picking for the giveaway, okay you guys? So 4 simple steps. Number 1, you need to be subscribed to the channel. Number 2, you need to like this video up. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. Number 4, leave a comment. So super easy, a positive comment, okay? And then on top of that, even if you don't win, you're gonna get a free subscriber out of it as well too. So why not grow your channel and get a chance to win somebody? I mean, hello. The gifts just keep on giving, okay? So super easy. Also the giveaway rules will be down below. Yes y'all, good luck, okay? Happy post Valentine's Day. I hope you guys did some loving on each other and did some loving on yourself, okay? Self-love is the best love, you already know. Yes, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.